Welcome back to our Science Online class. Today we will do only revision. Lesson number 10 we complete how things move, force, work and energy. Force, what do you mean by force? A push or a pull that moves object is called force. Effect produced by force. Force can change the state of motion of any object. Force can change the direction of motion. Force can change the shape of an object. So there are a kinds of force. You listen carefully. Kinds of force. There are different kinds of force acting on the objects at different times under different condition. So gravitational force. This is the force exerted by the earth on all object. The earth attracts all object towards itself. That is why we know throwing anything up, it is pulled down by gravitational force. Frictional force, when we roll a ball along the ground, it stops after some time. This is due to the frictional force acting on the moving ball. Next one is muscular force. Exerted by our muscles are called mechanical force. Work. Work, there is a very common term that we use in daily life, but in science, it has a very specific use. When we say the work, the box moves when the boys apply force. The wall will not move even if the boy applies greater force. It might seem the both are doing work, but scientifically, work is only done in the first case. Work is done when an object moves through a distance. We studied about simple machine that we use in your home for daily small things. Every day you do many jobs with your hands. You carry things in your hand, but there are some jobs which are difficult to bear with hand. Opening a soft drink bottle, you will not able to use a bottle opener to open the bottle top with a little effort. So such objects or articles that we make on our work are called a simple machine. So many are there. Lever. A lever is a tool which is used to lift heavy weight, open lids and cut paper. Pulley. A pulley is made up of a wheel and a rope running over the wheel. It helps to pull heavy objects. Wheel and axle. The simple machine has a wheel rotating around a smaller round object called axle. A car steering, the wheels of a toy train and the wheels of your toy car are some example. Inclined plane, screw, wedge, etc. Energy. Living things move, eat, sleep, laugh, respire, and do a lot of things. For all these, they need energy. Energy is required for all work. So we can say energy is the ability to do work. So types of energy, different types of energy, solar energy. Sun is a never ending source of energy. The energy that we get from the sun is called a solar energy. Wind energy, moving air is called wind. Moving air has a lot of energy in it, which turn the windmills. Hydro energy, energy generated from moving water is called a hydro energy. Energy of water falling from great height is used to produce electricity. There are various other type of energies: atomic energy, geothermal energy, mechanical energy. Atomic energy is obtained from splitting of an atom. Geothermal is obtained from trapping heat from inside the core of the earth. It is produced to it is used to produce electricity. Mechanical energy, it is present in moving objects. Now different forms of energy. Energy can be changed from one form to another. You have already read about the solar energy is transformed into a chemical energy by the plants during photosynthesis. When the plants are making food, the solar energy is transformed into a chemical energy. Similarly, a loudspeaker, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. An electric fan changes electrical energy to a mechanical energy. So let us remember this important point. A push or a pull that moves object is called force. When force applied to an object moves, it will say work is done. All of you understand the work? When force applied to an object and it moves, we say work is done. Machine that make our work easier are called simple machine. With the help of the machine, our work become very easy and we can do. Energy is the ability to do work. There are different types of energy: solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, atomic energy, geothermal energy, and mechanical energy. Energy can be changed from one form to the another. Now, children, take out your answer the following question in one word or a sentence. One word answer I am asking you. Define force. What do you mean by force or define force? Listen carefully. A push or a pull that moves object is called force. A push or a pull that moves object is called force. Write any one effect produced by force. Yes, you have to write one effect produced by force. Force can change the direction of motion. What is the effect? Force can change the direction of motion. Which energy is obtained from the interior of earth? Which energy? Yes, interior of earth. Geothermal. Which energy? Geothermal energy is obtained from the interior of earth. What do you understand by energy? Yes, children, what do you understand by energy? Energy is the ability to do work. When we have energy, then only we can do the work. So, energy is the ability to do work. Name the simple machine used in a nutcracker. Which machine are used to cut the nutcracker? Lever. Lever is the simple machine used in a nutcrackers. So we are using a lever for cutting the nutcracker. Now multiple choice. This is the ability to do work. Force, energy, load, none of this. Energy. This is done when an object moves through a distance. Force, energy, work, none of this. Force. Green plants use this energy to prepare food. Which plant? Green plant, which energy are using? Everybody know? Solar energy. A knife is an example of wheel and axle, screw, wedge, inclined plane. Wedge. A car steering is an example of screw, pulley, wedge, and wheel and axle. Yes, wheel and axle. A push or pull is called energy or force? Force. Dash force pull everything towards the earth? Frictional or gravitational? Yes, gravitational. Moving objects slow down and stop due to frictional Force. Simple machines make our work hard or easy? Easy. Seesaw is an example of lever or inclined plane. Yes, lever. Match the following: water, hydro energy, screw, a grooved nail, bottle opener, lever, and solar heater, solar energy, geothermal energy, earth. Now write T for true and F for false in the boxes given against the statement. Force cannot change shape of an object. False. Energy can be changed from one form to another. It will be true. Water energy can be used to produce atomic energy. False. An inclined plane helps it to lift heavy load. True. A screw is a simple machine. Yes, true.